These are among the focus tonight. Sarawak allocates 100 million ringgit to upgrade healthcare staff quarters. 10 million ringgit approved for digital hospital link in Sarawak. Sarawak government emphasizes effective coordinations. Assalamualaikum and good evening. The Sarawak government has allocated 100 million ringgit to upgrade their quarters for healthcare staff in the state, particularly in rural areas. Sarawak Premier Dato' Patinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari Tun Dato' Abang Openg said this allocations is made as a temporary loan until the federal government reimburses the amount. According to him, the initiative is aimed at ensuring doctors and nurses working in rural clinics have comfortable living accommodations in addition to well-equipped clinic facilities.
The Deputy Minister was telling me, we have just a common design and then we just build our clinics in rural areas. Doctors serving there, nurses serving there need good quarters. Not only the clinic, but also for the doctors. So we have agreed that Sarawak pinjam dulu. This year 100 million we give to medical here to build this rural clinic.
He spoke at the annual dinner in conjunction with the 64th annual general meeting of the Malaysian Medical Association's MMA Sarawak branch held here on Thursday. Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari added that this initiative will continue as long as the government is able to provide the best facilities for rural communities. At the same event, the Sarawak government has also approved an allocation of 10 million ringgit to enhance healthcare services and implement the digital hospital link system in the state. Sarawak Premier Dato' Patinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari Tun Dato' Abang Openg said this initiative will enable all hospitals in the state to be interconnected through a digital system. He noted that with the implementations of this system, medical records of patients from any hospital can be accessed directly by other hospitals in Sarawak.
Meaning, if you go to your general hospital, Kuching, you got all the record, the patient perhaps in Cebu, then Cebu Hospital can have access to the record immediately through digital information transaction. Dr. Sim jumpa saya. I think he has discussed with the director on this digital link. Dia tanya, medical law, ministry tidak ada duit. So I asked him how much. It is 10 million for this application. So last week we approved 10 million to medical to have this link.
He said this during a speech at the annual dinner in conjunction with the 64th annual general meeting of the Malaysian Medical Association's MMA Sarawak branch held here on Thursday. Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari further explained that this system is part of the digitalizations of public services in Sarawak, aimed at improving the efficiency and quality of healthcare services, particularly in rural areas. The Sarawak government emphasizes the importance of effective coordinations between government agencies, associations and the chambers of commerce. Sarawak Deputy Premier Dato' Ahmad Awang Tengah Ali Hassan stated that this is to ensure the implementations of programs and development projects can reach a wider coverage, including rural areas, especially in Sarawak. He also urged federal government agencies to increase programs and support for entrepreneurs in Sarawak to help them enhance their knowledge and skills to grow their businesses. The agenda to empower entrepreneurs was among the key topics raised during the second 2024 meeting of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise MSME Development Council, chaired by Deputy Prime Minister Dato' Sri Zahid Hamidi on Thursday. For the record, the Entrepreneur and MSME Development Council serve as the highest committee for discussing the entrepreneurial development agenda in Malaysia. Curtin Malaysia's hydrogen testbed and refueling station has been launched, marking the university's commitment in supporting the energy transition roadmap of Sarawak and Malaysia. The pilot project was launched by Sarawak Minister for Transport, Dato' Sri Lee Kim Shin, who represented Sarawak Premier, Dato' Patinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Roman Zohari, Tun Dato' Abang Openg, to officiate the International Conference on Energy Transition and Exhibitions 2024, ICETE 24, opening ceremony in Miri on Thursday. In his text of speech read by Dato' Sri Lee, the Sarawak Premier lauded the launch of the hydrogen testbed and refueling station as milestones that reflects the state commitment to diversify its energy portfolio and building a sustainable energy ecosystem. In addition, he said the establishment of the Centre of New and Sustainable Energy Research and Venture Conserve at Kertin, Malaysia is another significant step forward which will serve as a platform for innovations, collaborations, and the development of cutting-edge technologies that can drive our energy transitions efforts. According to him, it aligns perfectly with our mission to position Sarawak as a leader in clean energy solutions not only for Malaysia but for the wider Asian region. On another matter, Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari said the introductions of new Bachelor of Engineering in Energy Engineering and Bachelor of Engineering in Mechatronics Engineering programs at the university further strengthen Kertin, Malaysia's role as a key player in cultivating talent and expertise in fields critical to Sarawak's energy future. A total of 1,290 athletes from across the country will compete in the 21st Para-Malaysia Games Para SUKMA 21 Sarawak 2024, scheduled to take place from September 22nd to 28 this year. This much anticipated sporting event will see the participations of 15 contingents vying for the championship title across various sports disciplines. Sarawak Minister for Women, Early Childhood and Community Wellbeing Development, Dato' Sri Fatimah Abdullah, announced that the entire Games will involve a total of 2,225 individuals comprising athletes, support athletes and others.
Dari segi bilangan kontingen, 15 kontingen akan menyertai tamasya Para SUKMA 21 kali ini dan melibatkan 2,225 orang yang terdiri daripada bukan saja atlet, atlet ada 1,290, kemudian atlet sokongan 49, pegawai pasukan 780, chef de mission 15, kemudian pegawai perubatan kontingen 15, urusia kontingen 75. Assistant chef de mission we should add on as well. Okay, we add on only Sarawak. Yes. Untuk Sarawak kita bukan saja ada chef de mission tapi kita juga ada assistant chef de mission.
She said this in a press conference following the Para SUKMA 21 main committee meeting at the Borneo Convention Centre, Kuching, BCCK on Friday. The opening ceremony of Para SUKMA 21 is expected to be graced by the Sarawak Governor, Tun Pen Sri Dr. Wan Junaidi Tuanku Jaafar, adding grandeur to this prestigious sporting event. Sarawak is now fully prepared to ensure an outstanding event and a meaningful sporting experience for the athletes and contingents involved. Also present were Sarawak Deputy State Secretary Operations and CEO of Para SUKMA 21 Sarawak 2024, Dato' Hee Chang Kee, Permanent Secretary to the Sarawak Minister of Women, Early Childhood and Community Wellbeing Development, Dato' Felicia Tan Ya Hua, and other committee members. And that's the English edition with me, Sharill Malek. More news can be found in our official portal ukas.sarawak.gov.my and social media platforms including Facebook and YouTube. Ending the UKAS Bulletin featuring the annual dinner in conjunction with the 64th Annual General Meeting of the Malaysian Medical Association's MMA Sarawak branch held in Kuching on Thursday. #Saluran Informasi Rakyat. Have a good night.